Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video, I'm going to show you a 1960 Cadillac Fleetwood that one of my friends in Miami is selling for a really good price. Stay to the end. I'm going to give you more details about it while at the same time while I'll talk about the car and show you the car. Beautiful 1960 Cadillac Fleetwood. As you guys can see, it is a 4-door no post, which makes it more expensive. And this year they had the 2-door no post and also this one 1960 Cadillac Fleetwood. This car has been restored to its factory looks, exactly how it was when it came out of the factory from Detroit in 1960. This car is original from Denver, Colorado. As you guys can see, it still has the logo or the decal from the dealer where the car was originally sold. Like I mentioned, it's a Fleetwood. All the chrome in the car is in perfect conditions. You have the grille in the back, which also contains access to your gas cap or gas tank. Interior is beautiful. There's no tears, nothing is broken. All the chrome is in perfect conditions. Carpet has been wrapped around this plastic to prevent it from getting dirty. Carpet is in perfect conditions as well. Behind the front seat, we have these pockets that we use to store documents and things like that. You have a handle here in case you want to hold on to the front seat if you guys are going too fast and you're afraid of going too fast. We have an ashtray. Remember that back in the 1960s, people used to smoke a lot more than nowadays inside the car. This car, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I don't know if I did, came equipped with air conditioning, so it's factory air conditioning. In a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you guys the engine. You have the Cadillac emblem there. You have the controllers for all 4 windows here. You have this, which throws water in the windshield, so windshield washer fluid. It has original 98,000 miles. Everything works on this car, including the horn. The car needs to be on for that. Over here we have the heater, and on this side we have the air conditioning. You have the air conditioning vents, factory AM radio. The dash is in perfect conditions. Doors, you don't even have to slam them. Moving on to the engine, over here we have your power steering, oil, fuel pump, air conditioning compressor. This is where you will put the fluid for the windshield washers. You have the brake master cylinder, heater on the other side, regulator box. This car is as good as it was when it came from the dealer in the 1960s. No rust. Ready to hit the show at your local town. Beautiful hubcaps. These hubcaps alone by themselves, they cost about $1,100, and these hubcaps are in perfect condition. Here you have the logo. All the chrome is good. Grill is beautiful. I ran out of battery on my GoPro, so I had to switch to the phone. Like I mentioned, 4 doors, no post. Look at that beautiful interior. You had a little bug crawling An interior, beautiful headliner, steering wheel, dash is perfect. I'll give this car a 10 out of 10 if I was to buy this car. Beautiful car. The roof is vinyl, so since this is one of the most expensive options for this type of Fleetwood, you had two options. You had vinyl roof and you have bare metal, which obviously will come painted white like any other car. The trunk is in immaculate condition. Factory spare tire. Remember that back in the 1960s, there was no internet. So if you had to work on your car and do things yourself, you had to come to the manual. And over here you still have the manual that was given to the original owner of the car when he bought it in 1960s. You also have instructions on how to jack up the car in case you get a flat. All right, so I know you guys are waiting for the price of this beautiful car. The owner, who is my friend over there, is asking $45,000. If there's any one of you guys interested in the car, give him a call. I'm gonna be putting his phone number in the screen. Give him a call, set up an appointment. The car is located in Miami. This antenna goes up and down as well. There's a button inside the dash that if you push it in, the antenna goes up. And if you push it, you pull it, the antenna goes down. So it doesn't stay like that. This car is automatic with all the options available in 1960. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like. Call the owner, set up an appointment, come see this car, test drive it. There's nothing wrong with the car. So if you guys are looking at a car that's ready to be driven, this is it. 1960 Cadillac Fleetwood. Thank you guys, and I'll see you again on my next episode. God bless you all.